Do you have a loud mechanical keyboard? Are you constantly being asked to change your mic settings to push to talk because your keyboard can be heard in the background? Or are you looking for a quiet mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX Red silent keys? If so, you've come to the right place. My name is Zach, this is Systematic Hardware, and what I have here is the Corsair K70 RGB MK2 Cherry MX Red silent mechanical keyboard. Some of the features that we have here are dynamic multicolor Perky backlighting, 8 megabyte onboard profile storage, 100% Cherry MX silent key switches with noise reduction technology, 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover, FPS and mobile keycap sets, aircraft grade anodized brushed aluminum frame, USB pass-through port, dedicated volume and multimedia controls, as well as the Corsair utility engine. My name is Zach, and this is Systematic Hardware, all things system and hardware related. Enjoy the unboxing of the Corsair K70 RGB MK2 mechanical keyboard. So this is what comes in the box. We have the keys, and it comes with a little tool to take the key out for replacement. The booklet, the wrist rest, it's right here, and the keyboard. Let's get into what the keyboard looks like lit up. This is what the keyboard looks like plugged in. Looks like a significant difference between the Logitech G710 that I have, and that's pushing a couple years old, so it's not really a fair comparison in quality. Here's a quick demonstration on what the keys sound like. Definitely does not have a click like the Cherry MX Blues from the 710. If you like this unboxing, go ahead and let me know by dropping a like below. Subscribe to see the upcoming review, and comment below on any details you'd like to see in that video. Thanks for watching.